Let's do some algebra review. Let's go back and look at substitution and elimination methods from algebra. If we're given what's called a system of equations, which means there's two variables in the problem and we've got two equations, that's called a system of equations. And what we want to do in this objective is to solve that system of equations. The first thing to do here is what we call substitution. Substitution means you get one variable by itself. So in this case, in this first problem, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2y from both sides. So here I'm going to take and make x equal to 11 minus 2y. Now what's nice about that is when I get that, I can take this 11 minus 2y and it can be substituted in for x in the other equation, hence substitution. So I'm going to have 4, take out the x, put it in parentheses, minus y equals 17. I'm going to put this 11 minus 2y in that place of where the x was, and now I've got an equation with just one variable. I'm going to solve it. So 4 times 11 is 44. 4 times 2y is 8y, minus y equals 17. Negative 8y minus y is negative 9y. I'm going to subtract 44 from both sides. 17 minus 44 gives me a negative 27. Divide by negative 9 on both sides, and you get y equal to 3. Now, we can't stop there. We got what y is. Let's put that back in to get what x is. So going back here, we get that x is going to equal 11 minus 2 times 3, that y. So substitute back in. So x equals 11 minus 6, which gives me 5. So my answer, we often put as an ordered pair, 5, 3 for our answer to x and y. Now, elimination is a little different. Elimination is when it's not quite as easy to get one of the variables by itself. If you look at this problem here, notice 3x minus 2y, if I divide everything by 3 or 2, I get fractions. And here, if I divide by 7 or 2, I get fractions. So what we want to do is use what's called elimination, where we're going to look at these and say that the y's are opposites of each other. So if this equals that, and this equals that, since they're equal, I can add them, equal things you can add. And so what I'm going to do here is just add straight down. And when I add these straight down, I get 3x plus 7x is 10x. Negative 2y plus 2y, they're gone, no more y's. 7 plus 3 gives me 10. Divide by 10 on both sides, you get x equal to 1. Now we use substitution and put that back in. I'm going to put that back into the first one. So 3 times 1 minus 2y equals 7. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. Negative 2y equals 4. Divide both sides by negative 2. You get y equal to negative 2. And so my answer here is 1, negative 2 for my x and y solution. So that's how you can solve a system of equations, which means two variables, two equations, and we're going to solve it to find the x and the y by either substitution or elimination, our algebra review.